Hello friend. Today we are going to discuss about local and global variable in JavaScript. Without further delay, let's start. First of all, the variable that is declared outside any function or class is called a global variable. Global variable. And a variable that is declared inside a function class is called local variable. And if you want to access a variable which is declared inside a function and you want to access outside the function, it throw an error. For example, if I remove this and just want to use it outside the function, it throw an error. Now let's see how we can perform this in practical implementation. Just cut it out and just remove this comment and I just paste it here. After that I just remove because this is not a keyword, this is nothing, so we have to remove this. Okay, now after that let's print document.write document.write and print variable a and then concatenate break br tag. Now after that I just use semicolon and after that I print document.write and print the value a. And after that before this I used to call this function my function then semicolon. Now let's save. You can see this function call and just write print the value of a as 40 and this print function print the value of a as 10. If I remove and just want to see the value of a which is inside our function, can it be accessible outside the function? Let's see. Save. You can see nothing is printed after this function call. Let's check in console. Just double click and go to inspect. And after that we have to just increase a little bit. Now let's see. You can see this error shows us that a is not defined but a is defined. But this is a local variable. It is not defined outside. This is called local variable. Okay. Now if we use var a equals to hello. Now let's say you can see error is gone and hello is printed. This is how our local and global variable work. If we declare a variable outside, we can access inside also. For example, if I remove this and I remove this also and I just declare a variable var a equals to hi friends. Okay, let's say hi and after that we have semicolon. Let's save. You can see it's not printed. Why? Because we didn't call my function. That's why. Let's call our function and save. You can see hi is printed. If we declare a variable outside of outside a function and if we call a global variable inside any function or class, it would run. It would shows an output. You can clearly see if we change hi with 40, it reflected. You can see. If you realize that if we declare a variable inside our function, our document.write take the variable value which is declared inside, which is local to this function, and if we remove this statement, then it take our local variable value. You can see this is how our variable local and global works. Okay, this is how we can declare a local and global variable and the difference between local and global variable. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.